Millions of Americans who rely on Social Security benefits have received some unexpected bad news, and it's all tied to the announcement of Social Security's 2024 Cost of Living Adjustment, COLA. While this adjustment is indeed a much-anticipated increase, it may not be as great as expected, and it could lead to higher taxes for many recipients. The 3.2% COLA for 2024, announced recently, is certainly a welcome bump, considering it's above the 2.6% average seen over the past 2 decades. However, the Senior Citizens League has issued a warning. Despite this modest increase, it may push seniors over the threshold that triggers higher taxes. This is concerning news for the 68% of older adults who reported that their household expenses have risen by at least 10% over the past year, even as the overall inflation rate has slowed. The concern here is that this 3.2% COLA might have unforeseen consequences when it comes to the taxes seniors pay on their federal government benefits. In fact, up to 26% of survey participants who have been receiving Social Security for more than 3 years reported having to pay taxes on a portion of their benefits for the first time in the 2023 tax season for the tax year 2022. This is due to many being pushed into higher tax brackets. Shockingly, about 50% already pay double tax on their Social Security when they start receiving benefits, and this is likely to increase further with the modest 3.2% increase. Social Security COLA recipients enjoyed an 8.7% increase in 2023, and as a result, it is expected that more beneficiaries will become liable for federal income taxes on their Social Security benefits in the upcoming 2024 tax season. The crux of the issue lies in the fact that the income thresholds that trigger the taxation of Social Security benefits have never been adjusted for inflation. This means that as Social Security income increases steadily over time due to COLAs, more retirees are pushed over these income thresholds, leading to the taxation of Social Security benefits. This is viewed as an unintended consequence of the current taxation rules. A significant portion of Social Security benefits can be taxed when income exceeds certain thresholds, and this is a matter of increasing concern. Adjusting these income thresholds to today's dollars is advocated for by the Senior Citizens League, which suggests that the thresholds should be indexed for inflation, just as it's done for the rest of the tax code. For example, if the individual thresholds had been adjusted for inflation from 1984 to today, the threshold of $25,000 would actually be around $77,000, and the $34,000 threshold would be around $101,000. The Senior Citizens League's proposed solution is to adjust these income thresholds for today's dollars annually to prevent pushing more retirees into higher tax brackets. However, critics argue that doing so would deplete the Social Security Trust Fund's solvency faster, as the tax revenue from these thresholds contributes to its funding. One potential solution on the table is the Social Security Expansion Act proposed by Bernie Sanders, which aims to increase benefits by $2,400 annually or $200 per month for recipients. This would be funded by taxing the wealthy to both extend solvency and provide higher payouts to beneficiaries. Additionally, there's legislation aimed at eliminating double taxation on Social Security benefits, and ongoing discussions about reforming the system to ensure that those who rely on these benefits are not unduly burdened by taxes. In summary, the 2024 Social Security COLA increase is seen as a mixed blessing, and the potential for higher taxes on recipients is a cause for concern. Advocates are pushing for adjustments to income thresholds to prevent retirees from being unexpectedly hit with tax bills. Meanwhile, various proposals and discussions are underway to address the issues surrounding Social Security, including the possibility of increasing benefits and reforming the taxation system. The topic is complex, and it remains to be seen how it will be resolved. Stay tuned for more updates on this crucial issue. Additionally, it's worth noting that the issue of Social Security and its COLA adjustments ties into broader discussions about the future of the Social Security program and how it can better serve retirees, especially those who rely on these benefits as a critical source of income. Several prominent lawmakers, including Senator Bernie Sanders, have put forward proposals to expand the program and increase benefits for recipients, aiming to ensure that retirees can maintain a reasonable standard of living.